You may not know this by looking at me, but I can in fact speak several different languages. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? El fuego en mis pantalones. Das Vidania, comrade. Como tu pel? Como si como sa? Es un capitán. Pretty convincing, right? Okay, so question, is your company speaking the right language? We get so used to how our business and or job processes and hands out information that we may not consider that there are other opportunities out there that if we can speak their language, we have more opportunity, more potential for growth in our company. Now, we're talking about EDI, which stands for Electronic Data Interchange. Basically, electronic data interchange is a template and or type of format that a company uses, and it could be many different companies, to deal with their invoicing, processing orders, their design specs. There really is kind of a list, and a lot of times they're a standard within a certain type of industry or sub-industry of expectations of what a document or form will look like. What can this mean for your business? Well, first off, a lot of vendors and manufacturers or suppliers have certain types of EDI formats that they deal with when they're creating new orders or even making product designs that you need to know about in order to send in maybe a new spec or a new request or a new invoice. Because if you're not speaking their language, well, they're going to wait until you do, or they're going to get frustrated and expect you to know what that is. Also, any type of large big box retailer, I'm talking Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, anywhere where it's a national chain, national brand, and it's recognized, even smaller ones, they have their own standard type of EDI that they expect when dealing with their suppliers and vendors. But fortunately, we live in an age where you don't need to go research that and find it on your own. There are plenty of third-party providers that can plug you right into whatever type of format is required for your work. So you have providers like TrueCommerce or SPS Commerce that can immediately take your information and plug it into whatever system you need, whether it's the invoice, the design specs, everything that we've talked about, so that you are now speaking whatever language you need to speak for whatever customer is requiring from you. What's great is all this stuff integrates with your inventory software so that you know what you have, what you don't have, what needs to get sent, and then it's sent out in the proper EDI format. You may not be as savvy as me when it comes to languages, un poquito, but you can speak many other languages for other businesses through an EDI solution. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.